Okay, students, from today onwards, we are going to practice the RRB JE previous MCQs on general science. Okay, so first of all, we are going to start with the chemistry. So let us start the session, guys, and all of you try to share to all your friends. Okay, so let us start, guys. Coming to the first question. The chemical formula K2SO4 represents dash. The chemical formula K2SO4 represents dash. Okay, come on, give the answer. K2SO4. Here K means potassium. S means sulfur. So the answer may be in terms of potassium and sulfur. Okay, so here potassium chloride, no. Aluminum, there is no. Potassium, and here nitrate, no. So only potassium sulfate. So we can simply give the answer as option A, potassium sulfate. Very easy question. Coming to the next one. A basic solution changes the color of turmeric indicator from dash. Turmeric indicator from dash. Another very easy question. So give the answer in the comment section. You know very well about the turmeric indicator. It is a natural type of indicator. So in case of acid, in case of acidic solution, how the turmeric will be changed? Turmeric, we know very well, yellow color. So in the acidic solution, it may not changes. Same yellow color only. You can observe in lemon rice. In the lemon rice, we are adding turmeric and also lemon. Then what is the change of lemon rice? Yellow color only now. So that is acid may not changes the color of turmeric. But in case of base, how it will be changes? It will becomes red color. Okay. So if you add some turmeric with chuna water, chuna, you know very well, white color. So if you add both these two, then you will get a red color. Okay, if you want, you can do the experiment. So that means yellow to red. So yellow to red means answer is option A. Answer is option A. Okay. Thank you, Shashi. Coming to the next one, try to give the answers also. Very good, Suresh. The white powder formed when magnesium ribbon burns is dash. When magnesium ribbon burns is dash. A very easy question. Magnesium ribbon, and it is going to be burned. Take the magnesium. Burn means it always, any element burns with the presence of oxygen only. Whenever there is no oxygen, there is no burning concept. Okay, so that means magnesium is burned with respect with the presence of oxygen. So then what is the chance? Magnesium oxygen, magnesium oxide, MgO. Okay, so to balance the equation, we have to take 2 magnesium, then 2 MgO. So magnesium oxide, answer is option D. Okay, a very easy question. Coming to the next one, which of the following is an alloy of copper and zinc? Which of the following is an alloy of copper and zinc? I have given in detail explanation in the metals based questions in the chemistry. All the alloys. Very good, Shashi. Yes. Here we know very well. Solder is an alloy of tin plus lead. Alnico, as the name itself, alnico, aluminium, Ni, nickel, and CO, cobalt, and brass is the alloy of copper plus zinc. So what is the copper percentage? 70%, zinc 30%. We have one more alloy. What is that? copper plus zinc, Dutch metal. If we can consider Dutch metal, that is also copper plus zinc. Just percentages are different. 80, 20. Bronze, N is the domination here. So copper plus tin. Tin in the sense Sn. Okay. So answer is brass. Answer is option brass. Okay. Coming to the next question. Next one. Which of the following is the hardest substance known? Very easy question. Very, very easy question. Hardest substance. So we know very well diamond. So in the diamond, each carbon atom will be combined with another 4 carbon atoms, and the bond is covalent bond. We know very well covalent bond is very, very strongest bond. So that material also very, very strong. Okay. And what about the refractive index of the diamond? That is also very important. Refractive index 2.41 or 2.44. Okay. Coming to the next question. How many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of charge? How many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of charge? Very easy question. We know very well charge of electron. I think all of you know very well charge of electron. Okay. Charge of electron 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Okay, so they are asking how many electrons are in 1 coulomb of charge. So let us take charge. There are how many electrons are present. So charge of electron is this much of, that is 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Okay, so 1 coulomb has how many electrons? Then 1 coulomb has 1 by, to send this side, 1 by 1.602 into 10 power minus 19. So you will get the answer as 0.625 into 10 power 18 electrons. Okay, 0.625 into 10 power 18 electrons. So that is the answer is, sorry, 1.602 means we will get 6.24, I think. 6.24. Yes, 6.24 in the sense answer is option C. 6.24 into 10 power 18 electrons. Okay. Just you send this one to numerator, 10 power plus 19 by 1.602. So make it 10 into 10 power 18 by 1.602. Okay. So then 1.6 into 6 times, you will get 9.6 something you will get. Okay. So that is 1.6 into 6 times means 6 point something you will get. Okay, so answer is option C. Just go with approximation, guys. Okay, coming to the next question, a very, very easy question. A very easy question. I am expecting answer from all the students for this. Very good, Shashi. Answer from all the students. Answer is option C. No. Here they have given charge Q is equal to 20 coulombs and time t is equal to 1 second. Correct? Asking the current, I have given in the theory part of the physics, current I is equal to rate of flow of charge. Correct? So charge is 20, time is 1 second. So that is 20 amps. It is the physics question, but maybe it comes in the chemistry. Okay, so the answer is option A, 20 amperes. Okay, coming to the next one. Which of the following is a metalloid? Metalloid. Very easy question. What is meaning by metalloid? Which physical plus chemical properties? Chemical properties lies between metal and non-metal. Metal and non-metal. Then that is nothing but you can say metalloid. Okay. So we have the metalloids are boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, strontium, and polonium. All these 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these elements are nothing but you can say metalloids. These are metalloids. We know very well silicon and germanium are very important semiconductors. Okay, silicon and germanium very important semiconductors. Okay, most used semiconductors. So here germanium is there, so we can go with the germanium. Okay, a very good Shashi. Coming to the next one. So all the students try to give the answer. Okay, so don't feel that is you are giving right or wrong. Okay, here you have the two benefits. If you give the wrong answer, then you can learn here, then it will be remember for you a long time. If you give the right answer, then you will get self confidence, you will get confidence. Okay, so both are advantages only. So give the your response in the comment section. Okay, coming to the next one. Which of the following is known as dry ice? Dry ice, a very easy question, and all our channel students can easily give the answer for this. Dry ice. So we know very well solid CO2. Solid CO2 is considered as dry ice. Why? Because why it has gets its name? Because if you heat this, it may not melt into solid. It may not melt into solid. Directly it went to the gas. Went to the gas. So that's why it is considered as solid CO2 is considered as dry ice. Okay. Coming to the next question. Which element has the greatest tendency to attract the electrons? Greatest tendency to attract the electrons. Very important property. So, have already discussed this question in the topic wise MCQs. So, most of the questions came from our notes only, our MCQs classes only. What is the answer? What is the property? The property which have the greatest tendency to attract the electrons is nothing but electronegativity. Electronegativity is nothing but which can attract the electrons. Okay, which attract the electrons? Fluorine. I have given one trick also. Fluorine. F for flower. So how the flower attract bees? How the flower attract bees, honeybees? You know very well. Okay, how the flower attract the honeybees? In the same way, fluorine attracts the electrons. Fluorine attracts the electrons. Okay, and whenever the fluorine attract electron, it will becomes negative. Electronegative. Okay, so its electronegativity value is very high, approximately 4. Okay, very high electronegativity. So after that fluorine, we have the chlorine having high electronegativity. Okay, so high electronegativity. So coming to the next question. What is the primary standard level for carbon monoxide for assuring air quality? For assuring air quality. Students, you are not giving the response. Try to give the response. Yes. So, what is the primary standard level for carbon monoxide (CO) in the air quality? That is 9 ppm. What is meant by ppm? So, that is also very important question. ppm, parts per million. Parts per million. Okay. So, answer is option C. Answer is option C. Coming to the next question. What is the nature of the commonly used toothpaste? Toothpaste. Which nature? Acidic, neutral, or basic in nature? Yes. Toothpaste is basic in nature. Basic in nature. So answer is option D. What is the important use of Coke? What is the important use of Coke? A very important one. Important use of the coke is nothing but it will be used as reducing agent in the extraction of metals while extracting the metals like iron, copper, zinc, whatever it may be. So extracting of metals, we use the coke. Okay, and also in some high industries, coke will be used as the fuel for the furnaces. Okay, and the next questions are exam date of 26/5/2019. Time is 4 to 5:30. So coming to the first one, a very easy question. Which agent produces a local or general loss of sensation? General loss of sensation. This will be give just before operation. Okay. So any general operation, that is surgery operations, before going to start the surgery operation, doctor will give one shot of injection. What is that? Anesthetic injection. Okay. So due to that, we can loss of our sensation. Coming to the next question. According to Mendeleev's periodic table or periodic law, the elements were arranged in the periodic table in the order of dash. In the order of dash. A very easy one. I have given in detail about this in the practice sessions and in the theory part. Very good, Shashi. You know very well. In case of modern periodic table, that is Henry Moseley periodic table. Henry Moseley. He introduced atomic number. He introduced atomic number. So, only in the modern periodic table, the classification is based on atomic number. Remaining all in case of Lavoisier, Tavernier, Newland. Okay, so in all and also Mendeleev, All these periodic tables are periodic classification based on atomic masses. Atomic masses. Okay. So here they are asking about Mendeleev. So we can say the answer is option A, atomic masses, increasing order of atomic masses. Okay. Coming to the next one. Not atomic number. Atomic number only modern periodic table, that is Henry Moseley periodic table. Remaining all, that is first of all we know very well Lavoisier give the idea that that is classified all elements into metals and non-metals. Davernier, trides, Newlands, octave theory, Mendeleev table, periodic table. Okay, so classification is based on atomic masses only. Why? Because at the time they don't know about the atomic number. So Henry Moseley only introduced that atomic number. So modern periodic table classification is based on atomic number. Okay, so answer is option A. Coming to the next one, lactose is a composed of dash and glucose. Lactose is composed of dash and glucose. Here coming to the fructose, we know very well it is considered as fruit sugar. Fruit sugar. Okay. And it combines generally one molecule of glucose with sucrose. Okay. Sucrose. And here sucrose, it is composed of here fructose is a fruit sugar. If you fruit sugar is not fruit sugar, okay. Here sucrose is nothing but glucose plus fructose. Okay, glucose plus fructose. So fructose is formed with sorry, don't mind. Lactose is composed of galactose is the answer. Fructose is the fruit sugar. Sucrose is the cane sugar. Okay, so sucrose is combination of glucose plus fructose. Glucose plus fructose. Here glucose and fructose almost having similar composition. Almost having similar composition. Okay. And coming to maltose. Maltose is a combination of two glucose molecules. Two glucose molecules. Okay. Two glucose molecules. So answer here, lactose is composed of galactose and glucose. Lactose you know very well, it is generally found in the milk products. Milk products. Okay, it is a combination of galactose plus glucose. Okay, fructose is considered as fruit sugar, sucrose is considered as cane sugar. Those are also very important. Coming to the next question. The reaction of sodium sulfate and barium chloride solution is an example of dash. Sodium sulfate Na2SO. Barium chloride BaCl2 is an example of dash. So whenever sodium sulfate with barium chloride, then you will get Ba plus SO4 minus. BaSO4, barium sulfate. Here Na plus Cl minus. SO4 minus. So these two will be added and you will get NaCl. So we have to equate the balance the equation. So 2 chlorines, 2 sodiums means we have to take the to NaCl. So it is a double displacement. Here one displacement, this is the another displacement. So that means you can say it is a double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Okay. For example, in case of single displacement, let us take only magnesium with hydrochloric acid, then you will get MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas is released. So here Mg plus Cl minus, only one displacement, only one displacement. Okay, or sodium plus hydrochloric acid, NaCl plus hydrogen gas is released. Here also I have take two sodiums and two here, then two here. So Na plus Cl minus. So only one displacement is happened. Okay. So if one displacement is happened, single displacement. Double displacement happen, that is double displacement reaction. Okay. Endothermic reaction means end. So that means heat is going to be absorbed. Heat is going to be absorbed. Heat absorbed. Okay, just end. Heat is going to be end. When it will be end? Whenever it will be absorbed. Exothermic, exit. That means whenever the heat released, that reaction is nothing but exothermic reaction. Okay, coming to the next one. An aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue. Excess addition of which of the following solutions would reverse the change? So try to understand which turns red to blue. That is nothing but base only, na? Base converts red to blue. Excess addition of which of the following solutions would reverse the change? Reverse means blue to red, correct? Reversal means blue to red. Which converts blue to red? That is acidic solution. In the following option, which is the acidic solution? Ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Whenever there is a OH, you can simply say that it is a base. Limestone, lime. Calcium is a metal, so it is also base, CaCO3. Baking powder, okay, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, it is also base. So HCl is the acid. As the name itself, we have the acid, so we can simply go with option B. Okay, coming to the next question. Bronze is an alloy of dash. Just in this session also I have given this. Correct or not? Bronze is an alloy of dash. Bronze is an alloy of dash. So N is the domination. Copper plus tin. So the answer is option B. Copper plus tin. So the answer is option B. Okay. So all of you try to click on like option and also please share to your friends. Okay. Which of the following does not increase while moving down the group of the periodic table? So in the groups we know very well, we can group all the elements which are having same valency electrons. Valency electrons are same. So we divide the group with the manner of having same valency electrons. So which may not increase? Valency. Valency is the same in the group. So it may not increase. Okay. It may not increase. And what about the remaining? metallic nature or character, atomic nature, number of shells, all will be increases, but variance is same. Okay. Which of these is a trace elements? Trace element. We know minerals required in our body in a small amount. Minerals required by body in small amount. Small amount are called as trace elements. Trace elements. Okay. And these are, you can say, micro minerals. Micro minerals. Example, we require iron, zinc, iodine, copper, manganese. Okay, manganese, fluorine, chromium. So all these are, we can consider as trace elements. So here they have given manganese, so we can go with the manganese. Okay, and macro minerals. Macro minerals. So these require high amount. High amount. So which elements generally we require high amount? Sodium, chlorine, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, okay, sulfur. All these we require in high amount. These are considered as macro minerals. Macro minerals. Okay. Which element is the first element in the periodic table? Very, very easy question. First element in the periodic table. What is the first element? Hydrogen. Okay, very easy question. Coming to the next one, the negatively charged ions is known as dash. The negatively charged ions known as dash. We know very well cations, anions. Okay, so cations, these are positively charged. Anions, these are negatively charged. Okay, positively charged. Why? Because they have more protons. They have more protons. Why these are negatively charged? They have more electrons. More electrons. Here cations, generally you can say Na plus, magnesium plus 2, like this. Okay, here electrons, fluorine minus, OH minus. So these are the anions. These are the cations. Okay, cations. Coming to the next question. Which of the following fuels is not used in the thermal power plants? Not used in the thermal power plants. Yes, uranium. Uranium is not used in the thermal power plants. It is used in the nuclear power plants. Nuclear power plants. So we can go with the answer is option C. Okay. Acidic solution in water conduct electricity because they produce dash. Because they produce dash. So let us take any one acid, HCl or H2SO4. So if you consider in the water, it will becomes, it will forms H plus. Here it is also H plus, HSO4 minus. Here H plus, Cl minus. So that means it forms hydronium ions. hydronium ions, which are responsible for conduct the electricity, which are responsible for conduct electricity. So hydronium ions or hydrogen ions. So answer is option C. Answer is option C. Okay. Okay. Okay, students, we will discuss the remaining questions in the next session. Okay. So next session, I will try to conduct today evening 8 p.m. Today evening 8 p.m. Next live session today evening 8 p.m. on this chemistry. Okay. And students, if you want to download the PDF of general science, you can just visit sunilengineeringacademy.com. Okay, so here in the section of RRB or SSC PDF, you can have general science PDF. So you can open whatever you want. Okay, add to cart. Okay, and then go with checkout. And after that, if you are a returning customer, you can directly log in or go with the new customer and you can register your account. After that, login. Okay, and then just continue and then tick and continue and then confirm order. Okay, so here you have other payment options, so you can click back. Then you will have different types of methods. Okay, and then you can go with that one. You can go with any of that one, and after that you have to just click on your my account, and then here you have my orders and downloads. So in the downloads you can get your pdf your pdf. Okay, so just you have here you have the option, you can download. Okay. Okay, students, all of you, thank you so much for watching. All of you take care. Bye guys.